hummingbirds. Most not much bigger than your thumb. He is a marvelous spatule tail, one of just 500 or so left on Earth. Deforestation has meant their habitat is disappearing. Only males have these extravagant tail feathers, which have just one purpose: to attract a female. He's keeping them in top condition. An audience has arrived. But this is not who he wants. Rivals. He's not the only one who wants the limelight. Fighting off so many is exhausting. A female marvelous spatule tail is here. Now the show can begin. He'll be judged on the length of his tail feathers and the quality of his performance. She's interested. Time to take his display to the next level. And now, it's all about stamina. In this thin mountain air, he's got to dig deep. It's a critical moment, both for him and the future of the species. If he wins her over, together they will produce the next generation. And at last, she accepts his invitation.